You ready for it? You ready for it?
Bring it.
Damn. Again, so I want to focus on the most important, so I'll probably end up cutting a few bits of the reaction. I just really want to catch the overall vibe, a bit of the training because they do have lots of fun doing it, and at least the reaction of everybody from his mom to his fans. Right now I couldn't do much, but
I thought I would spar Mighty Mouse last. But this motherfucker, I thought Mighty Mouse was gonna be the last person, you know, because he's the fucking best in the world. But no, Mighty Mouse is the second person I fought, and I'm about to unleash all my frustrations onto Mighty Mouse. I thought I was no, it's sparring. Let's go.
the guy is so funny, man.
Oh shit. Okay.
Hey,
Okay. Oh.
he's trying to look better here. But gradually starting to look a bit more clumsy by the minute. Shout out to Mighty Mouse, man. He manages to give this kid a huge training, and he doesn't even hurt him or put him in any kind of pressure, you know, or any kind of danger.
Come on, Dad, get up. Get him,
Yeah, you know what I'm saying? Yeah, this is what his striking looks like.
This is gonna be the hardest shot of your life. You ready for it? You ready for it? You ready for it?
Bring it.
Damn. Again, so I want to focus on the most important, so I'll probably end up cutting a few bits of the reaction. I just really want to catch the overall vibe, a bit of the training because they do have lots of fun doing it, and at least the reaction of everybody from his mom to his fans to his fight.
I am not done yet.
Yeah, keep going, let's go. 3 minutes left. Let's go, come on, get up. I haven't hit you yet, come on.
He's not done yet.
2 seconds, Dad, come on. Come on.
It sure looks like he's done.
Get up, get up.
Yeah, man, but they're having fun.
White Wolf wouldn't have given up.
No one is stronger than me. Stank.
But you see what DJ's doing here?
Yeah. I don't think I can sack in this part right
It's
here.
like teaching him without even hurting him. He's just frustrating him a little.
Giving up again.
He's awesome, man. Man, I'd love to know DJ. For real. I really have so many questions for him. For real. Sorry, that was my dog.
Sorry, it's all bad. Everybody's here hanging out. The whole entire time we're training, he says, I hit hard. I hit hard. And I'm like, yes,
You can drive a, you know, a NASCAR. You can drive a fucking car fast, but if you have no technique to turn around that motherfucking, you know, track, you're gonna run into the fucking wall all the time. But I wanted him to experience, like, yes, you hit hard, but it doesn't matter if you can't land a shot. And that's why I was calling all his opponent's name, and you see him get tired.
Yeah, exactly what I was saying.
When he fought Perfect Cell, nothing fucking worked. Vegeta hit the final flash on Cell, and you know, Cell didn't take no damage. He beat the fuck out of Vegeta after that. But Vegeta didn't give up, and neither will I.
You all done, Death? I think static lasts longer than that.
How much time left?
You got a minute and a half. Come on, have it.
Let's go.
Come on.
Come on. Come on.
That's a better stance right there. You actually looking good. Oh. There you go. That's a nice jab. That's a good jab. Best jab I felt all day. Okay. Okay.
Oh.
Okay. Holy. I'm about to slaughter you like pig. Oh, careful. Fucking you almost hit me. Yeah.
Hey, even if DJ can only get him to learn the movement, you know, and start doing things a bit better. I mean,
Would you learn this week? There we go.
that would be a win.
Hey, get my hands. Where my hands? Which one? The one thing I will say out of all of this, he gravitates around because right when I took him down, he framed, he got his guard back, and he threw the triangle up. So I think, man, hot take. I tell him all the time, I think you're a better grappler than you are a striker. Pull the head down. No, he's gonna put me to that sausage of his. Absolutely not. Not happening. No cup. No. Get away from me.
No. Get up. Let's go. Get up. Get out of there.
It seems like either in grappling or striking, it's just missing more or less to understand the way it really works, you know? Like the triangle, he understood how to begin it, you know? But yeah, man, you need to finish it.
They're gonna blind you. Now you must fight in the dark.
Yeah, and DJ is always having fun, man. All in good spirits. I love it.
Would you learn? What's your frame? Finishing kick.
I can't coach you on this one, man.
Okay.
No.
Go after punch.
No.
God bless.
No. I'll destroy you for this.
Yeah, you want. Make sure you tap. KO. Finish. Look at your black ass looking like Young Cha.